Hello, in this video I want to show you how to pair EZVIZ camera hub with your Android smartphone. And to do this, first thing is to download EZVIZ app on your smartphone. You can find it on the Google Play Store. Here I have it, so let's open it. Next thing is to connect your camera to the power source using a charger that comes with it, and also make sure that you use the same cable. And there's also the LAN plug that you need to connect to your router. Now when it's on, you can see that the LED lamp right here is static blue, and that means the camera is not connected to the internet. And to fix this, I don't know why, I'm not following instructions, but it works for me. So let's open a Wi-Fi on my phone. Wait till all of the networks are available, and you should be able to find EZVIZ right there. Click on it to connect. If you need password, then it's located on the bottom of your camera. Now change to the normal Wi-Fi network. Make sure that you're using 2.4 band and then not 5G. And here we're gonna open the app. Click on this plus button to add device, and here select scan QR code. Now again, look on the bottom of the camera and scan the QR code located right there. This should show up your device right here. We're gonna go with add, then next. You can adjust the settings however you like. And now we can add up to 6 different cameras to this hub. I'm gonna show you how to do that in the next video. So let's click on done, and here's the camera hub added to your app. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.